topic is electric field at a point on an equatorial line of dipole. Like the previous derivation, again we will consider two charges plus q and minus q. The distance between these two charges is 2a. So this is the center point. So this will be A and this distance will be A. Now consider a point P which is at distance R from the center where we want to find the electric field. And due to minus Q charge, this is the direction of electric field. Due to plus Q charge, this is the direction of the electric field. Is the theta, and if this angle is theta, then this will be theta. Field की value क्या होती है? 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q upon distance का square. So this distance we will take right angle triangle base and this is the perpendicular. So hypotenuse will be square root r square plus a square. And now electric field due to plus q charge will be 1/4 pi epsilon naught q upon this distance ka square. Square root will cancel out with square and we got this. Similarly, electric field due to minus q charge will be same because we are taking magnitude. And now we will find the net electric field. This is the cos component of both the electric fields. Q sin theta minus q sin theta, and both will cancel out each other's effect. So we have only cos component. So net electric field किसके इक्वल आएगा? Electric field due to plus q charge and minus q charge along with their cos component. Electric field due to plus q and minus q will be same. Means उनका magnitude क्या है? Same. Write it as so 2 E plus q cos theta. So E plus q की value now we will put here and along with that cos theta. Cos theta का formula आता है base upon hypotenuse. So here we have base A and this is the value of hypotenuse. So we got this. Now after solving we got this. And here we have r square plus a square की power 1. And here we have power 1/2. 1/2 plus 1 power will be 3/2. This is the value of the dipole moment. So the final expression we got is 1/4 pi naught p r square plus a square की power 3/2. This is the final expression.